day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hey guys, it's me. As you know, that's every now and then I'm trying something. So it's that time of the month when you don't know what to cook. But today I decided to whip up something simple, tasty, and comforting macaroni with chakalaka balls. So join me as we cook together. As a mother of two daughters, I want my children to come back at school and say, Mommy, wow, we love it. So, guys, this is me doing the things. Come on board as your queen motivator, Lutando, here to make your kitchen vibes magical and stress free. Let's get cooking. As you see, imacaroni seyibhadlile manje sengiyayicwenga ukuthi ibe clean. So, guys, this is my recipe that is thinkable. So inaliki votes lami chakalaka yamkele engizoyenza njengoba ubona nje ngivula ngizoyikhipha ngirinse. Yes, naye sengibeke train ngirinsile ke guys, sengizophila iskin out. Yes, sengiqedile, sengiyenza yona ke. Faka amafutha ami, ngifaka u-onion no-garlic, ifuna upelepele ufake. Then-ke ngifake-ke ama-spices as ngikubonisile. Yes, ngiyayigoqoza-ke manje ngiyihlanganisa, ngifake ne-Knorrox nayana. Thela amanzi kancane, ngiyigoqoze. Then mayisithambile-ke guys, ulinda nje isikhathi obonayo nawe ukuthi ungasilinda because you are the one who's cooking. So guys, now I have to add imacaroni yami. Ngiyayi-add-ke manje, ngiyihlanganisa kahle because everything is sorted. Remember guys, I'm selling the miracle salts that you can use it if you are cooking ukuthi ube healthy uphile. Liyasebenza kakhulu le salt. Ungangithinta sikhulume 0842181750. This is me, a distributor, Miss Brown Eyes, in another channel. So support me guys. Sengiqedile ke manje. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, share, positive comment. Ciao guys, love you.